Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use Stremio on your iPhone with a comprehensive step-by-step guide. To begin, you'll need to download and install Stremio on your iPhone. Once the app is installed, open it to set up your account. Launch Stremio from your home screen. If you're new to Stremio, tap Sign Up and follow the prompts to create a new account. If you already have an account, tap Log In and enter your credentials. With your account set up, let's explore the interface. On the home screen, you'll see recommended content, including movies and TV shows. Tap on Discover to browse through various categories and genres. For your saved contents and watch history, type on Library. To enhance your Stremio experience, check out the add-ons section where you can install additional streaming sources and services. When you want to search for specific content, tap on the search icon at the top of the screen, enter the name of the movie or TV show you're looking for, then browse through the search results and tap on the desired item to view more details and options. To watch something, tap on the movie or title of a TV show to open its details page. You will see various sources where you can stream or watch the content. Choose your preferred sources and tap play to start streaming. For a more personalized experience, you can manage your settings. Tap on profile icon at the top of the screen and go to settings. Here, you can adjust preferences such as notifications and playback settings. A few additional tips to enhance your streaming experience is to use a stable Wi-Fi connection for the best performance. Explore and install add-ons to expand your streaming options. And make sure to keep the Stremio app updated to enjoy the latest features and improvements. That's it for today's guide on using Stremio on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you on the next one.